Mastering PMP and PMBOK Guide 8th edition webinar today. I'm Jack, your IT supporter and the PMP certification holder. Thank you for joining me today. In today's topic, we'll go deep into simple steps to earning the PMP certification, mainly focus on the requirement of PMP certification, the PMP exam process, and also I will introduce the PMBOK 8th edition. Besides, you can not only get your target exam questions at a lowest price, but also you can learn the latest information about the PMP exam. So please stay tuned, and we will share it on the later part. Okay, now let's check for PMP certification. It's a globally recognized project management certification that tests a candidate's ability to manage the people, processes, and the business priorities of a professional project. So there are over 1 million PMP certification holders worldwide, according to the PMI, which administers the certification. So it's applicable to project managers in virtually any industry, including health, construction, information technology, and business. Let's go back to today's topic, simple steps to earning the PMP certification. In order to get the certification, you have to meet the experience requirements and pass a certification exam. So here is a step-by-step guide to getting your PMP certification. I will simply simplify it into only 3 steps. So you can check step 1, you need to meet the PMP certification requirements. And step 2, you need to apply to take your PMP exam. And step 3, when you get PMI approval, then you can book and take PMP exam. So before you can take the PMP exam, you have to make sure you are eligible. You will need either 35 PDUs, yes, at least 36 months of project management experience if you have a 4-year degree. Or you need 35 PDUs and also 60 months of experience if you have an associate degree or high school diploma. So, or you need to have 35 PDUs and also 24 months of experience if you have a higher degree. So you can check the requirements. You can confirm if you are eligible for PMP exam. And how to get 35 PDUs? If you can instantly think of project management courses you have done. So first, you can go back through your professional development records and see what's there. And for all project management related training from your entire life counts towards your total. For example, if you took a 2-day project management class fresh out of school, then you already have 16 contact hours, even if that was 20 years ago. As long as you still have a record of the course and an attendance certificate, you can count the hours. So, and the most easy way to get is to join SPOTO PMB training. After training course, you can get the 35 PDU certificates. So you can check the example here. And if you do not have enough time to finish any training course, you can pay for our 35 PDU certificate directly. No need to finish any training course. We will offer you 35 PDU certificate like this. And next, you need to apply to take your exam. Make an account with PMI and get started on an application for the PMP exam. This will entail sharing basic personal information like your educational background as well as details on the projects you've worked on. So for the projects you've led, you need to provide You can check. You need to provide where you've worked, your role and responsibilities, duration of projects, and also you can offer the training you've completed. And also PMI has provided the PMP application checklist. You can join our study group or our flash sale group. We will share the checklist in the group. Okay, so please keep this information in mind as you complete your application. Remember to run through the points below to make sure you have everything covered. Firstly, the project in entries represent professional project work experience only. So I haven't included experience such as the following examples, which are not acceptable: your own personal wedding, academic research for a degree, granting program, creation of a newsletter, home improvement project. Secondly, all the projects you've included are listed individually. So you should not have listed multiple projects as one entry. Next, you should have included the true title of the project or basic descriptor of the project purpose, so not your role on the project in the title field. Last, each of the project descriptions are high-level summaries of the project in total. May your project entries do not include routine, operational, or administrative tasks and responsibilities. So next, you should accurately have indicated the number of team members who participated in this project and the budget for the project. That's all you need to check and confirm during the application. So once you are approved, you'll pay the exam fee and schedule a test. Your application will be reviewed, and then you'll need to pay an exam fee if you are qualified to move forward. So you can check if you have PMI membership, the exam fee is only about 405 or 425 US dollars. But if you do not have PMI membership, the exam fee will be 675 US dollars. Once approved to take the exam, you can schedule your exam time at a testing site near you, and you can also take it online. And for the exam, you can check. It depends on you. You can take the PMP exam in the exam center, and also you can take your PMP exam online from home. If you take PMP exam online from your home, you can take the exam day or night. So it depends on you. You can schedule your exam time. And for the exam preparation, either through coursework or on your own, several exam prep providers recommend spending 60 to 120 hours studying. This can take several months depending on how frequently you study if you want to pass the PMP effortlessly. So you can choose SPOTO to help you prepare and pass the exam. For more details, you can contact our admin for details. Don't forget to join our flash sale group and click the link in the comment zone. Okay, so what's on the exam? Research indicates that employers will need to fill nearly 2.2 million new project-oriented roles each year through 2027. This means skilled project managers are in high demand. The PMB certification is designed by project professionals for project professionals and validates that you are among the best highly skilled in. So you can check this is the content on the PMP exam. And the PMP certification Yes, you can also check these three key approaches for PMP exam. And the PMP exam is comprised of 180 questions, so you can check. And the exam time is 230 minutes. And you will have two 10-minute breaks for computer-based tests. But you can check no scheduled breaks for paper-based exams. And you can check the questions will be about multiple choice, multiple responses, matching, hotspot, and limited filling the blank. Let's see. You can check new items types here. Okay, you can check new item types. After know the exam types, the most important one is how to prepare for the PMP exam and how to pass the exam, which we will share in the later of the webinar. So please stay tuned and keep watching our live webinar. Now follow along with us as we delve into the specific contents of the PMBOK 8th edition. So are you ready? Let's go. Here's our schedule for this part. First, we'll understand why this update is such a big deal. Then we'll break down the new structure into three easy to understand pillars. After that, we'll spend significant time on what matters most to you, the PMP exam changes. So we will compare the old editions with the new, and finally, I'll give you a personalized action plan so you know exactly what to do next. Okay, let's see the stage. Think of PMBOK 7th edition as you can check. It was brilliant. It introduced the principles, the focus on value, and moved us away from rigid processes. But many of you told PMI, this is great. But how do I actually do my job on Monday morning? PMI listened, so they gathered over 48,000 data points from professionals just like you. The result is PMBOK 8th. You can check for this, not too rigid and not too abstract, but just right. PMBOK 8th edition is built on three interconnected pillars. So think of them as the why, the flow, and the what. The principles tell you why you do things. The mindset, the focus areas describe the flow of the project from start to finish, and the performance domains detail what you actually need to manage. Together, they form a complete picture. You can try this. And the English edition introduces a streamlined set of 6 project management principles. So these principles were reduced and refined from the 12th in the 7th edition to eliminate to overlap and create a clearer decision-making foundation. Each principle is designed to guide behavior across every type of project environment, whether predictive, adaptive, and hybrid. The 6 principles include adopt a holistic view, focus on value, embed quality, be an accountable leader, etc. PMBOK 8 places significant emphasis on value delivery rather than centering success on outputs alone. The guide encourages project managers to think in terms of outcomes that are worth the investment of time, cost, and effort. This includes attention to quality, stakeholder satisfaction, sustainability, and alignment with organizational goals. One of the most notable updates in the 8th edition is the reintroduction of a structure similar to process groups. In PMBOK 8th edition, these are presented as project management focus areas, which describes the core activities that occur throughout any project. The focus areas are practical, familiar, and international, flexible, allowing them to apply in predictive, agile, and hybrid environments. The 5 focus areas are initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing. These focus areas provide a logical flow for project work while leaving room to tailor activities to the project's method, complexity, and context. So PMBOK 8th organizes key responsibilities into 7 project management performance domains. These domains represent groups of related processes and practice that collectively support value. They build on earlier concepts like knowledge areas, but present them in a more integrated and practical way. Okay, this is the slide you've all been waiting for. How does this affect the exam? First, mark your calendars. The new PMBOK 8th drops in early 2026, and the new PMB exam launches from June 9th July 2026. So you need to remind this. You need to remember this. And the exam content outline keeps in 3 domain structure. However, the focus changes. You will see more questions on value creation and the governance, sustainability, and the systems thinking. You also need to master tailoring. Knowing how to adapt your approach for different types of projects. For a complete walkthrough of the July 9th, 2026 PMP exam changes, so you can join our study group directly. The PMBOK guide has evolved significantly over time, and the 8th edition represents a deliberate blending of what practitioners valued most from past versions. So earlier editions, such as the 6th, offered detailed process guidance with inputs, tools, and techniques and outputs. The 7th edition shifted toward a more flexible, principle-driven approach that emphasized value delivery but left many teams wanting more practical structure. And the PMBOK 8th integrates these 2 perspectives. It preserves the adaptability introduced in the 7th edition while reintroducing process clarity in the form of non-prescriptive practices. This combined approach provides a complete framework that supports both, you can check both strategic thinking and day-to-day execution, and it works across predictive, agile, and hybrid environments. The result is more most structured standard that keeps the flexibility of PMBOK 7th while adding the practical direction teams that have been asking for. So what do you do? It depends on your timeline. If you want to get this done quickly, schedule your exam for before June 7th, July 9, 2026. Study the current materials. You have a clear window. If you have a busy schedule or just want the latest and greatest, aim for after July 9th. So you can use the coming months to familiarize yourself with the new concepts like sustainability and systems thinking. But wait for the official updated materials for your course study. If you are not taking the exam, just adopt PMBOK 8th. Now it's the most accurate reflection of modern project management. So in conclusion, the PMBOK Guide 8th edition brings together clarity, flexibility, and practical guidance in a way that supports every type of project environment. Its structure gives project managers a complete view of the work they led, and the principles and focus areas reinforce the behavior mindset needed for modern delivery, while the performance domains and non-prescriptive processes provide the mechanics for effective. Okay, so we finished the introduction of PMBOK 8th edition. If you want to know more details or test yourself, please join our study group in the comment zone. SPOTO provides candidates with the latest and 100% valid team test to help candidates pass the exam. I know every one of you joining our live webinar today because you would like to prepare and pass the PMB exam. So however, most of guys are so confused about it. If PMP have so many advantages, how can I get it, and which way to study? I have to do work. How can I study? And some of guys must know PMP, but considers it's a little difficult to get it. Maybe are busy in work and no ideas to start. So all this confusion, SPOTO will help you to solve this. So don't worry. If you are interested in PMP exam and want to change your work situation, want to get a higher salary, just follow us today. You can get the answer. Okay, now. Okay, let me help you to simplify the PMP exam process. Before you apply, make sure you meet the following sets of PMP certification requirements in the step 1 and move to step 2. Apply to take your exam, and also after getting approval, then you can pay for the exam fee and book the exam date. So you can check if you do not know how to pass your PMP exam, you can choose our PMP one-stop solution. We can offer you 35 PDO certificate directly, and then you only need to fill our PMI intake sheet. Then our application tutor will log in your PMI account to apply PMP exam for you. So it means that we can prepare all the application documents for you. And when we help you get PMI approval, then you can take the PMP exam. You can choose our PMP real exam dumps and also our PMP proxy service. With these two options, we can help you 100% pass your PMP exam. And at the last, PMP certification, it has 3 years time limit. So if you want to renew your PMP certification, you can choose our PMB renew service, we can help you to get 60 PDUs directly and help you to renew your PMB certification within 3 years. And why SPOTO PMB training course is the best? As important reason is PMP course is taught by certified trainer who is authorized training partner instructor with years of training experience. We have 3 types of package in PMB training, and the hottest still one is PMB training for package. You can get 35 PDUs and application approval quickly, so you can check this for package. If you do not have enough time, you can choose this package. We can help you to get 35 PDUs, and we can help you to get PMI approval fast. And in today's live sale, the lowest price is only $150. Well, really amazing. And also, we also offer PMP lifetime package. You do not have time limit to access our PMP training course. It's only $99.99 today. Then you can learn our PMP training course anytime, anywhere for lifetime. And for this basic package, in today's live sale, the lowest price is only $59.99. You can have 3 months of unlimited access to our PMP training course, and also we will offer you 35 PDUs. Okay, so why you need to choose SPOTO? Because you can check first, our PMP exam dump only offer 100% real exam questions, and we only offer accurate answers. And secondly, we can help you to pass your PMP exam with minimum time. And thirdly, our service team and tutor, they offer 24/7 professional support to help you. If you have any questions, we can help you. And the most importantly, we already have 23 years of experience. We have been the leader in this industry for over 23 years. So you can really trust we are very reliable and professional. Okay, you can check our recent PMP passing reports. So if you want to pass your PMP exam in 2026, so you can choose us. You can ping our admin to get the biggest offer, and you can also join our flash sale group. Okay, you can check for our PMP exam dumps. We offer accurate answers, and our PMP exam dumps is valid and stable. And we offer 24/7 support to help you. So if you want to take the exam by yourself, you can choose our PMP exam dump. And in today's live sale, you can enjoy the lowest price ever. The original price for PMP exam dump is $700, but in today's live sale, the lowest price is only $400. You can save the biggest. So if you want to pass your PMP exam, and if you want to take the exam by yourself, then you can choose our PMP dump, and please do not miss this biggest offer, only $400. And if you are very busy in working, you do not have enough time to prepare for your PMP exam, then you can choose our PMP exam proxy service. In today's live sale, the lowest price is also only $400. With our proxy service, we can 100% pass guaranteed. And also, you do not need to spend any time or energy on preparing for the exam, so you can choose us. Also, if you just start for PMP exam, you don't know how to prepare for it, then you can choose our all-in-one package. In our all-in-one package, we will offer you 35 PDU certificate directly, and also we will help you apply for PMP exam and get PMI approval And at last, we will offer you PMP exam dump or proxy service to help you pass your PMP exam fast. So in today's live sale, the biggest offer is only $450 for PMP all-in-one package. So with our PMP all-in-one package, you can really save the biggest. And you may think how to order and how to get our service. There are 5 easy steps to get certified. You only need to select your certification and pay the fee, and also after the payment you can contact us, and then we will guide you and support you to book your exam time, and during the exam we'll help you pass the exam. So it's easy. Okay, so for SPOTO, we founded in 2003 with the mission of change the fate by starting build for a better future. Our dedication to becoming an IT online learning platform worldwide is what sets us apart. We specialize in IT certification and provide short past material and practice tests to help you achieve your certification goals. Over the past 23 years, SPOTO has helped 100,000 candidates achieve their goals and get their PMP certifications. So you can check the red flags on this picture indicates that SPOTO learners have successfully passed their exams in the exam center. And as of now, we serve in over 152 countries and regions. We have launched over 300 products that have helped over 550,000 learners obtain their IT certifications. One of our proudest achievements is that over 2,500 CCIE holders are from SPOTO. In other words, almost 10% of CCIE holders in the world are SPOTO learners. At SPOTO, we have a team of passionate and experienced instructors who are committed to your success. They have spent decades carefully creating our learning materials with your training journey in mind, and we are confident that you'll find our courses to be of the highest quality. We are thrilled to share that our candidates have left highly positive feedback about our services. We are proud to display here. SPOTO can provide many more IT certification services, but due to the time limit, I cannot introduce them one by one. So if you are interested in any one of them, join our group and pin under me. And you can join our group by the link in the comment zone. Okay, how time flies. Hurry to order as the flash sale will end soon. So remember, learning changes destiny. Upskill yourself with SPOTO today and get certified tomorrow. More questions? Please ping our admin or join our group to get more details and free ebooks. So see you next week. See you.